Hi friends! Welcome back to my vlog. This is Jade, and for today's video, I will show you the process of drawing a gumamela or hibiscus in partnership with Hiraya Journal. For the materials, I will be using Hiraya Akwarela watercolor brush pens, watercolor papers, I also have here my watercolor palette and the water brush that is also included in the Akwarela watercolor brush pen set, jar of water, pencil, eraser, and a fine liner pen. Now, let's start drawing our gumamela. The first thing that we have to do is draw a circle, a size you prefer, and a tiny circle in the middle. You may use a tracer with the desired size of the circle, like this washi tape roll that I am using, or you may just draw your own circle, any size of your preference. Draw a straight line from the middle going up. That will be the stamen of the gumamela. Sketch a petal guide and then trace the petal sketch and make each petal line curvy. The next thing that we have to do is use a fine liner pen to mark the flower sketch. Let's erase the pencil marks. And the last is apply watercolor to the drawing. To color my gumamela drawing, I will be using Hiraya Akwarela watercolor brush pens. I chose orange and yellow tones to color my gumamela drawing. I am very happy about my watercolor brush pens from Hiraya Journal because I can easily combine the colors and it really blends well on my watercolor paper. Gumamela is such a beautiful flower. It blooms all year round abundantly here in our country. It reminds me so much of bright and sunny days where it can usually be found in each and everyone's garden. I am also dreaming of growing one Gumamela plant someday. If you have any experience of growing a Gumamela plant in your garden, you may comment it on the comment section below. I would also love to learn how to grow a Gumamela plant, and someday I could see them blooming around the garden. Let's enjoy coloring our Gumamela. I am coloring the inner part of the Gumamela yellow and the outer part of it is in color orange. You may combine any colors that you like for your Gumamela drawing. After coloring our Gumamela, I will cut each of the drawings and lay it out on my Hiraya Mirasol journal. Hiraya Journal PH and I would love to see your works, and we are excited for you to try this Gumamela drawing process. So feel free to tag us at Jade Bufete and at Hiraya Journal PH or use the hashtag JadeXHiraya and we will feature your works on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this simple Gumamela drawing process. See you next time. Bye!